Hello, my name is Jenny Begum, and we're going to do a quick facilities overview. All facilities, space, and equipment use must be reserved through our event management system. All requests are to be communicated to each department admin assistant to the principal. The admin assistant will enter all reservations into the system for their grade area. Example, preschool, elementary, middle school, high school. Facilities will approve and notify the department admin. Happy Fox. We use this platform to request maintenance, facility, and transportation. Emails, phone calls, or conversations in the hallway will not be a course of action to get your request done. All information will be communicated through Happy Fox once you've created a ticket. All staff, teachers, coaches are required to carry a picture ID badge issued by the RCS facility department upon hire. RCS is equipped with a badge access control system at various entrances of each building. Badges may only be used by the staff, teacher, coach, member of the school. These are not to be shared with other staff, parents, or students. Do not allow others to enter the building with you if they have not been granted access as well. Do not open doors for others. They must buzz in to gain access. All staff, teachers, coaches are issued classroom keys by RCS Facilities Department upon hire. The keys are used for general building and specific room access. These keys are not to be shared with other staff, parents, or students. All staff, teachers, and coaches working with students after school hours are responsible to supervise the students at all times until they leave the building, as well as lock up and turn off all the lights. All visitors, volunteers, and vendors are to check in at the school office immediately upon entering the building. Their ID will be scanned for security purposes and issued a badge. Badges must be worn at all times while in the building. If for some reason you see a person going through the school building during school hours, they must be wearing a badge. Classroom safety. We're asking that all furniture brought in must be approved by the department head and facilities. Only non-flammable items are allowed. Electronics, lighting, and lights are to be plugged directly into an electrical outlet or a surge power strip. Extension cords are not allowed in any classroom or facility. LED twinkle lights are only allowed during the month of December and must be taken down before the Christmas break. Space heaters must be approved by facilities. Facility cleaning. RCS maintains a cleaning contract with the night crew. The night crew will go through every room, office, locker room, gym, vacuum, mop, and empty trash. RCS day crew will clean the desks once a week, manage lunch duty cleanup along with each department during school, maintain the building on a daily basis while school is in session. Major projects will fall within the summer. These requests are to be submitted no later than September 15th due to the budget process. Projects must be approved by the department head and facilities before any work is being done or considered. Major projects are things like a remodel of office space, carpet, or flooring. Small projects, these requests will fall within the fall, spring break, or summer, if necessary. Again, any project, large or small, must be approved by your department head and facilities. Requests need to be submitted and approved 8 weeks prior to breaks.